Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 doesn't even last 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises as the battery degrades over time. If left unchecked, a failing battery can lead to more severe problems, potentially resulting in a completely non-functional device. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you'll need a few tools: a screwdriver with a Torx head, a replacement battery, and a small flathead screwdriver for prying open the casing. First, ensure your Dyson SV11 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dust container, which simply pulls away from the main body. Next, using your Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Be cautious here, as you don't want to damage any of the internal components. The battery pack is typically located at the bottom of the unit and is easy to identify. Carefully disconnect the battery by unclipping the connectors. Take your time here to avoid breaking any clips. After disconnecting the old battery, you can now replace it with the new one. Align the new battery in place and connect the clip securely. Once everything is in position, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the casing and ensure it clicks back into place. Then, secure it with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. After that, reattach the dust container. Finally, plug your Dyson SV11 back in and give it a test run. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum and avoid overcharging the battery. Keeping the device well maintained can significantly extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.